Very clear. It's movement for justice. If we don't have justice, we will have no system, and we can see before us the system in Pakistan, it is in chaos. Law is only available, or justice is only available for those who can afford justice. Our party, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, stands for justice, and I can say to you, all of you that have attended here and have come here today far afield, please, those who haven't joined us, join us. Join us in this movement, because I think in my lifetime, I'm 40 plus, first time, we have a great opportunity to change Pakistan for once and for all. And you know, Imran Khan has been fighting for years, early 90s, has been saying the same thing, go to YouTube, consistently, that we must have fair justice system in Pakistan, consistently. And what has happened in Pakistan? Everything has gone all the way. How can a nation have a president who is the most corrupt person in the whole of Pakistan? And who is he? He's in charge of the whole country. Do you expect to get fair treatment, fair trials, justice? No. There is no hope. I was so amazed and shocked when they appealed against the NRO case recently in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court told Babar Rahman, why are you going in circles? What are you trying to defend and appeal against? He went round and round and round. And on the last day, he didn't even turn up to the Supreme Court. So they have thrown the case out. These are the people who accept NRO. They will accept everything that is wrong. Lutto to Bhutto. Their job is not Bhutto. I won't say Bhutto because I respect Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. I respect Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. I respect Benazir Bhutto as well. But these people who are in charge, this current moment of time in Pakistan, and the government, I cannot. Yes, there comes through a process, and we must have a democratic process. I think there's going to be a lot more speeches, and Milan Sahib has comprehensively addressed all the issues. And I thank everyone coming from outside Sheffield as well, all your brothers here as well, because it's very important that we want everyone to join us. Join us in this movement for change. It is now or never. Thank you.